Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Book bundle. Today's books are kind of interesting. This one, the Strom Toys, classic toys in wood with illustrated children's story. This is a precious book. Now, I did not make this exact rocking horse, but I made a similar one to that. This book is by Janet and Richard Strombeck, and it's beautifully illustrated. This is a work of art, this book. I mean, look at the artwork. Absolutely amazing. And then it starts with a story, a children's story. My story begins in December, a few weeks before Christmas. I was in my workshop trying to make toys for our 8 grandchildren's Christmas party. Over and over again, I tried to create toys that would be special. And it goes on and on and on and on. This is a story that you could read to grandchildren or children. It talks about a rocking horse and his elves and wow, this is an amazing illustrations. So, this book by itself is worth, oh my, look at this picture. I almost don't want to give it away. And then it gets into the toys itself. It comes with blueprints, and they're actually blue. And how to make all of these toys, which would come together. And then there's the rocking horses, all sorts of rocking horses with plans. There is a wooden bank, a wagon, a doll buggy. Oh, there's always got to be construction equipment. Wow, log trucks, cranes. There's a wrecker, a stone hauler, steamrollers. Wow. Lots of great toys. So, there's some simple puzzles, sailboat puzzle, etc. So, on the back of the book, it says, this book contains a delightfully illustrated story of why the little Stroms helped the author make toys for their grandchildren's Christmas and how they overcome their worst enemy, the fierce slug hog. There are 40 designs and 12 mini plants. So there's that one. And to go along with that one, Anthony Dew wrote this book on making rocking horses. from simple to elaborate. And some of them are full-fledged carvings. So that's the rocking horse and Strom toys. If you're interested in this bundle, and like I said, this book, if you have young children or grandchildren, this book cost $10 back in 1983. I'm done with it, so I'm passing it on. And when you're done with it, you can pass it on. Just if you're interested in these books, the Strom toys and the Rocking Horse book, let me know in the comments section. I'm not going to repeat myself over and over again, but the first person that I can connect up with is going to get the books. Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.